Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to create a Google document on Android. Creating a Google document on your Android device is quick and easy using the Google Docs app. Here's how you can do it. Using the Google Docs app, make sure to download and install the Google Docs app from the Google Play Store. Launch the Google Docs app and sign in with your Google account if not already signed in. Tap the plus button at the bottom right corner. Choose New Document to start fresh, or choose a template from the list. Tap the Untitled Document field at the top and enter a name for your document, then hit OK. Now, tap on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner to start editing. Use the editing tools to write, format, and customize your document. Your changes are automatically saved to your Google Drive. Tips for creating a Google document on Android. Offline editing. Enable offline access in Google Docs app by going to the dashboard and tapping Menu, the three lines in the top left corner, Settings, then make sure to toggle on Make recent files available offline. Collaborate in real time. Share the document with others using the Share button in the top right and collaborate in real time. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.